Hi everybody, I'm out of the office today. This isn't my out of office notice, but it's autumn and October's just around the corner, which means it's the NEC Motorhome and Caravan Show. And like previous years, we've got a competition for you to win a pair of tickets. We're giving away 5 pairs of tickets this year, and it's very simple to enter. All you need to do is follow the link in the description below, head on over, put in your details, and then you're automatically entered into the competition. I'll be choosing 5 people at random, and I'll be contacting them to let them know they've won. And it's very simple, just head on over to the show any day you like and pick up the tickets from the media centre. The competition is going to close on Friday the 5th. Is it Friday the 5th of October?
Yes.
Friday the 5th of October. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And yes, well, I'll be choosing the winners on that day. So enter below. Good luck. So I'm going to be there all week. So will Liz from Caravan Guard. She'll be there, not all week actually. She'll only going to be there for 2 days because she can't stomach staying there all week with me. I will be, I just won't be there at the weekend. So anyway, head on over to the competition link below. Good luck everybody, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye. Do you want to say hello?
Say good luck.
Oh, she's saying good luck. Come on, say.
Good luck everyone.
For God's sakes.